My name is Patrick J. Jones, and I'd like to welcome you to my first lecture for CG Master Academy. This lecture is on the head, and here we have some of my study sheets. These are electronic files that you can print out and study and practice from and draw after the event. So for this course, it's aimed more at intermediate students, we'll be concentrating more on how art comes together after the structure. But with my anatomy of style concepts, I work with structure plus gesture to equal the style. So there will be some structure. So every drawing I'll do a little quick structural drawing, like I'm doing here. And then we'll spend most of the time taking it to an emotional level, adding some style to it. So as you can see here, I'm blocking in the usual kind of method you'll see in many books of breaking the figure down into thirds, from the eyebrow to the nose, from the nose down to the chin, and then dividing the eyes as 5 eyes wide on the head, that kind of thing. I'll start off the drawing in that way, and then you can practice with the practice sheets where I've drawn some very tight construction drawings. Okay, but you can see what I will point out quite a lot though is my idea of memory in drawings, like mnemonics. So mnemonic is a strange way to remember an image, and it'll stick in your mind more the stranger it is. Like for instance, underneath the nose there is the M shape, the M from the alphabet. So you can see alphabetic symbols everywhere if you look for them. So they're a good way to remember things. There's an archway for a bridge or a tunnel there for underneath the bottom lip. And so the bottom lip is between the nose and the chin, and that's how I divide and find those measurements. So here's the eyes going in. Now make sure that the eyes are always on the outer side of the nose. This is general. This is just a European model. With other races, there'll be variations. But this is a generic European male head that I'm drawing here. So what you'll usually find is the eyes are on the outside end of the nose. But I have observed, and your task as an artist is not to just take these methods, like the writing method for instance, as the gospel, and just look at other real life people. And I've seen noses much wider, where the eyes don't end up outside the nostrils, for instance. They will outside the bridge of the nose. They can't come in any closer than that. But the nostrils can be much wider. So the basic structure of the head in all races is that the front part, where the eyes, nose and mouth and lips are, the front plane.